Mastering competency-based interviews. Proven strategies to showcase your skills and excel in job and course admissions. Competency-based questions are frequently employed by employers to assess if candidates possess the essential skills or attributes outlined in the job description or advertisement. These questions are also utilized by admissions tutors, particularly in vocational course interviews. The interviewer aims to gather evidence demonstrating your suitability for the position, often by asking questions such as Adaptability and Flexibility. Question: describe a situation where you had to adapt to unexpected changes in a project or work environment. How did you handle it? Example answer: in my previous role, we had a sudden change in project scope that required a shift in our strategy. I quickly organized a team meeting, reassessed our resources, and realigned our objectives to successfully accommodate the new requirements. Conflict resolution. Question: can you provide an example of a situation where you had to resolve a conflict within a team or with a colleague? What approach did you take, and what was the outcome? Example answer: once, two team members had a disagreement over project priorities. I facilitated a calm discussion, encouraged active listening, identified common ground, and helped them find a compromise that improved collaboration and productivity. Leadership and initiative. Question: share a scenario where you took the lead on a project or initiative. How did you motivate and guide your team to achieve the desired goals? Example answer: I took the lead on a challenging client presentation. I organized brainstorming sessions, delegated tasks based on strengths, and provided regular feedback, resulting in a successful presentation that impressed the client. Problem solving and critical thinking. Question: describe a situation where you had to analyze a problem thoroughly to find an effective solution. What steps did you take, and what was the outcome? Example answer: we faced a recurring issue with project delays. I conducted a root cause analysis, implemented a streamlined process, and monitored progress meticulously, reducing project delays by 30% within a few months. Communication and collaboration. Question: share a situation where you had to communicate complex information to a diverse audience. How did you ensure that everyone understood the message effectively? Example answer: I had to explain a technical project to non-technical stakeholders. I prepared a clear, concise presentation, focusing on essential points and using simple language. I also encouraged questions to ensure everyone grasped the key concepts. Decision-making. Question: provide an example of a situation where you had to make a critical decision with limited information and time. How did you assess the options and arrive at a conclusion? Example answer: during a project, a key supplier suddenly became unavailable. I evaluated alternative options, considering risks and benefits, and made a swift decision to switch suppliers, ensuring minimal disruption to the project timeline. Teamwork. In my previous role at Company X, we were tasked with organizing a high-profile event within a tight deadline. My role was to coordinate the event logistics and ensure smooth collaboration among various teams involved. I initiated regular cross-functional meetings, clearly defining roles and responsibilities. I also created a detailed project plan and established a communication channel to address any issues promptly. Through effective teamwork and my coordination efforts, we successfully executed the event, receiving praise from both our clients and the attendees for its seamless organization. Challenging problem and solution. During a project at my previous job, we encountered a critical software bug just before the product launch. I was assigned to lead the team in resolving this issue to ensure the launch wasn't delayed. I conducted a thorough analysis to identify the root cause, collaborated with the development team to implement a fix, and organized rigorous testing to validate the solution. By swiftly addressing the problem and coordinating with the team, we resolved the issue before the deadline, ensuring a successful product launch. Time management and meeting deadlines. In my current position, I had a major project due with a tight deadline and multiple components to manage. I needed to manage my time effectively to complete each phase of the project on schedule. I prioritized tasks, created a detailed schedule, set milestones, and used time-blocking techniques to focus on each aspect of the project efficiently. Through effective time management, I completed the project on time, delivering a high-quality outcome that met all requirements. Accuracy and error-free work. I was responsible for preparing a financial report that demanded a high degree of accuracy at my previous job. My task was to gather, analyze, and present financial data with precision and zero errors. I meticulously reviewed the data, cross-checked calculations, and utilized automated tools to validate the accuracy of the report. The financial report I prepared was error-free, earning praise from my superiors for its accuracy and reliability. Conveying complex information. In a client meeting, I needed to explain a complex technical solution to non-technical stakeholders. My task was to ensure that the stakeholders understood the solution's benefits and implications clearly. I prepared a simplified presentation, avoiding jargon, and used relatable analogies to explain the solution's technical aspects in a straightforward manner. The stakeholders grasped the technical solution effectively, enabling productive discussions and alignment on the project's direction. Handling an upset individual. A colleague was visibly upset due to project challenges and was expressing frustration during a team meeting. My task was to address their concerns, diffuse the situation, and maintain a positive and productive team atmosphere. I acknowledged their feelings, actively listened to their concerns, empathized with their situation, and proposed potential solutions to address the issues. By handling the situation calmly and constructively, we were able to find common ground, resolve the concerns, and maintain a harmonious team dynamic. These questions and examples should help you prepare for a competency-based interview by showcasing your abilities and experiences in various key competency areas. Competently answering these questions involves illustrating your abilities through concrete examples from your experiences, demonstrating how you meet the requirements of the role or course, and showcasing your problem-solving and interpersonal skills. Don't forget to subscribe in order to be notified of similar videos.